Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on your school iPad. School iPads are specifically configured with strong security settings, often preventing users from installing new applications outside of an approved list. This management system is designed to keep the devices secure and focused on educational content, making it difficult to install unauthorized games like Brawl Stars. School iPads are typically controlled by a system called Mobile Device Management, often referred to as MDM. This software allows the school IT department to remotely control settings, restrict app downloads, and filter internet content. The MDM can also prevent you from accessing the App Store directly or downloading applications that are not on an approved whitelist. Understanding these restrictions is the first step. Some students try using virtual private networks, or VPN, or web proxies to bypass network filters. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, and a proxy reroutes it, but school networks are very sophisticated. These systems often have advanced firewalls that can detect and block most common VPN and proxy services, preventing access to unapproved content and game servers. Remember, Brawl Stars is a dedicated app, requiring installation directly from the App Store. Unfortunately, your school's MDM will almost certainly block direct App Store access or any attempt to download unapproved applications. Furthermore, Brawl Stars does not currently offer an official browser-based version or support for common cloud gaming services that could potentially bypass these installation restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.